Hi, my name is Barry Gilman. I'm a full-time guitar teacher and professional musician here in Johannesburg, South Africa. I've been playing guitar for most of my life, about 29 years now, and I'm proficient in jazz, rock, pop, classical blues, and many other styles. I can teach you from the basics all the way up to advanced theory and practice. I really hope you choose to begin your guitar adventure with me, as I've experienced great joy from playing the guitar, and I really hope you can too.